Hi everyone, today we are going to do the daily challenge problem in the Leetcode. So in this question, the question will give the user input of 2D array and then give the starting index through to value which is row and column index C, and you also give a new color, which means the value you need to replace if the condition is valid. So this question will basically do a recursively check if the neighbor of a point is equal, have like same value. If this happens, we will replace with the new value, which is in a new color. So we will start from the starting point. So for example of the example 1, this actually is starting from this point, and then we can see the neighbor around is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So after the recursion, you will replace all the 1 equal with 2. So basically for this question we will write a depth first search, which recursively check the neighbor of the point, and then you will check the neighbor of the neighbor of the neighbor, and then we will start replace the value if it match the starting point's value. So we will start coding the function. So first we will check the edge case or the base case. So if the starting point's value already equal the new color, which is the new value we need to replace, so we don't need to do the modification and go through the depth first search. We will just return that to the array back. So otherwise we will return DFS, and then we will pass image coordinate index the new color, and also the starting points value. So right now we'll start to implement the DFS. You can use void if you like, but I just want to just make this one line, so I make it the type is int 2D, array of 2D int. So for the recursion, we know that we need to run a terminate condition. So basically we will check first the point is off bound. So here is the point that is valid with valid range. So basically we will write this in opposite way. So if the SR is less than 0, or SR is greater than or equal to the image length, or SC is less than 0, or SC is greater than or equal to image of 0 length, or the image of SRSC is not equal to the start value. So if the value is not equal to the starting point's value, we don't need to modify, so we will just return image. Otherwise, imagine the condition you also have the value that equal to the starting point's value. We will replace its value with the new color, and then after that we will go through its neighbor. So it's up, down, left, and right. So we will call recursively this let's see, new color start value. So after that, we'll return the image. So -1 +1 go up and down, then left and right. So this should satisfy and we should return the correct result. And let's test with the base case. Okay, it gave us the right result. And let's see more test case. And let's see the time and the speed. So we can see we have the it's running faster than 100% of the submission, and also the memory usage. It should around 190, I think. Or it's more better than it's more use less memory. You can run multiple times to see what you got. That's conclude the question for today. And thank you. If you like the video, please give a like and subscribe. Bye bye.